Check it time, 29 after 3. I Adom 106.3 FM. Of course, Ghana's #1 radio station. Yeah, they radio so one pen so the dream. Send it so they are and October Bosume, Neda Tosu Dubako, a Jordan. Yeah, I say now, cherry or they are conwasa, they are bassum dream. Now, I share now watching for Francois say. Asidania ina and Canada. Amen. Your friend Jerry Justice a real many G7 one share mubiemo OfieKwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. And I say Kesian come out. Say only a synchronia OfieKwanso media so. As they do on my team, no Papa Bills African, the Bison come Jamestown J. Cole. Now yes, Emre Crano, yeah, the videos of our time at Twitch media so see and a show video bin patrol video no we kra na pese ade nneema bi toton kakra kata ho kakra because yem pese bibia be show and the nature of the video no mintimi yi menche enti wa ma ho anya ha na wa ma mehwe ne ntem a na ho nche sa because enya homeka you see but ye yi sa video ne de aka asem bi oh asem ne de kan yetiawa nan saying the order of the day na babe social media was obia bibia na say amount for pet trends amount for per se ihu amount for per se omo gidin amount for per se eti omo kan say oh you know we know so now it looks like people are doing anything possible anything at all bibia bebo mo akwam say omo ye bia on social media bia people want to do it all in the name of trending, which is wrong. We should always do the right things. I don't know there. Am I very popular? Fine, I say be any. But doing your money be me to say the baby shows every day we watch away. That's not it. It's not so cool. It's ye every video, you know. Not yet the akasem. Ye na ye should be film say it is not a good thing. Na ye nyai sa ne mana ye. So like I said, obetimi a join here on Facebook. That's all access to Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Oba toto. Ye share video nkakra na no. Na ye fio because video no ye video bi a eya home kan say say dey to us for a very long time. So it won't be there for long. It will be there for just a short period of time. Na ye dia kasa ye dia tu hon fo kakra e dia free hon. Na quickly no ye fast dama Kel Kits toothpaste papa ya tu boss ya dia mamofra we into sem penifo de no ti you fa penifo toothpaste na mo di twimo se ni twimo fra ne e de no there bi we ye the strawberry awono wo di twimo fra ne se mo na ye so mo di strawberry toffee bi ni ade no so emu ye pa ni nyina mu no ene pa wo mu I protect your gum no a prevent cavity a mom sunny very strong and healthy with freshness all day. It be a from 2 to 6 years ago no omo ene be hia Kel Kits toothpaste come on pa FDA muhwemu atum so how be any na efi Samara Company Limited our market baby Kel Kids also happy smile. Nas did you inform Dominion about powder, your number 1 immune booster, and also a boy ye na wetimi I build a strong immune system. Nas feel so one normalize a year or blood pressure no or kidney and now say heart related problem be answer. If your diabetes no stroke, you never just a year and clean one time. Na why you make it to a beati or brepano. Dominion about powder, a bebow. Abusia PBH aquine. Nana watch about. I feel so a year Hallows herbal. Oko Kings walk about so be or Little George Health Shop or Tema Community 5 being a favorite part ventures so qua. Do know in your Bianca Becan. Yes, sir. She share Angels Dominion Bar Center for Chaquine. Away and Coco. Ober Frey 0543 158 195 and a fee 020 429 6449. Na ye know Edin Como na do be on ye bianso no yama onsa etimi aka. Na enwechi no ye fast day dio ma Flora disposable handkerchief. Me pacho we no ya ne kama de amount. Say all the usual cloth handkerchief ni be show butum pipa na san de show butum no enye lie. Say de kono a Flora disposable handkerchief. Ya run okokro kama. It fits into your pocket, your purse, or your bag easily. Ne bonso nye den. Eti ya wabi na bebo, ube wensi, ube washo wonsa. If you feel be na beto ne ade bi ebe kan ho enye bi apesa opepa. We ba kwa de people we anu watu action kama. Time bi ana ho ate pa. And also look out for Flora toilet rolls. I feel Flora multi-purpose paper towels, Flora table napkins, and I feel Flora box tissues. Nina are available in a shop near you. Now price also there. Eda fombo ko kra. Abuja open door pa free. Delta Paper Mill Limited 0243 033 033. Na yetimi edin komo. Eti enche bia no yebehwe na videos of our time ye dey share so tunyam ba ya. Pacho Facebook Adom 106.3 FM na join ye na yenhwe ene video we very short video yen yinche kra. Nemom share so say nyame ya Adom a tomorrow on the show. Yene Obapa Christy ebetwetwe nkomo na Obapa Christy edenyon foforo bia babonten e kase brand new song enyom ne ye power ye beda enyom ne di ewa ha onti baby a first time airplay tomorrow God willing aha ene ye poundtoma nyame ya adom a ochena live on Adom 106.3 FM OfieKwanso. So spread the news. Tell a friend to tell another friend, so no one can share another friend. Say, Obapa Christy is out with a new one. The Nyame Adom watchna, and I yet say, no wait me a TV, no who the new song no de ban. Said yet here on OfieKwanso tomorrow, God willing. You be decide you medino. Come on, pa. Name Saturday. Join me on Facebook now. Yeah, and the videos of our time now, and she shares so now as usual. Adophobia na ekura mu ma yetimi the videos of our time bro. Food lovers rice. Emo de. O de no emu bi ekoye. Say fried rice. Oh be yi mako kama jollof. Oh jai wachi jai. O de rice water kra na de ultimate ampa guy. Ana bi anwamo. Emu ye pa food lovers rice. E de yi pa. Very easy to cook and it tastes great in every grain. Food lovers rice. Also made for better eating experience. Our market baby, and it wants on your day, yo. As they don't come Aquatab water purification tablet. Abusia. And soon now, no man also the mukroji muda crack. No, you are lying to yourself. You will never be a ubronise microorganisms. Ultimate for a new room. Hunten some gunsum dia. And now kosonum na wakunya waterborne disease zibi. It be a deadly one record to me, to avoid some problems with nano. Aquatab water purification tablet, tobacco, a self-dissolving tablet. Ujatu swimwa, and one hugum. The AN say it kills every microorganism be a wound soon be a. Sabe a bit me avoid the waterborne diseases. Now no bushia, motimi atrase and yache kamapa. A fay, ye were Aquatab food safe, elho. Oba, wako kruma kodidra. What of fruits and vegetables they are befie. Share and for ordinary water and wash on and chassis ni. For Aquatab food safe. For wash munina. Come. Sabe bit me kum. germs ne bacteria bia won bia ansa na mo be consume a mo consume eno ho asem a eno no obenya bia to chemical shops awodo ni mu afi pharmacies ni bi we bi o na afi supermarkets awodo bi so kwa benya bi o won kran na opedo a phrase 020 90 77 726 and afi o kumasi abe phrase 050 169 4275 Kofredia phone phrase 0244 593 381 Dudu bia unyie bia no abusia on sabeka na onso oni wabusua mo de abom ho ban eno asem ano no enya asem tintin bia tie awie ni say de na che straight up ye hwe na ene videos of our time ye dia bro if you are with me let's roll now on by enso a Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook quickly medical catch us in a video no me nche because any video be nika dabi bad me cry video na me be ya no cry no I don't feel cool about it, but you see we need to talk about these things, especially mabuna mutie no the youth mo yesterday and they obia ya twin phone na pena na chese o video ne ho no ye o twa bibi e de beto internet so or person this side beto na eboni dinka say hey we ne so now they are doing everything possible bia for trends obia person ye bibia keke na onfanya trends odwen wa wonte ase it is the medical aka no video no enye video a eya homeka but I need you to see this we openi na utie mi a bra Facebook na behwe video no we ye babu na utie mi a onso bra na behwe bi munam fantum fon panifo no monhwe na mwatimi dia ya asem aka kire nkola no so munyai sa na ema no na we ye young person na onso wo access to Facebook a onso hwe na munyai sa na ema no enya de bia keke na ufiti ya na we hwe video yi oba besia say any boyfriend o say any brother o na one ne da ho na oba no ade ehye no say G-string GBO say bikini o me de minim difference no na oba etu hu na eguo na ade just say I mean what will make you think of doing this say duano say jollof o say nso ye spaghetti bi o say ade yo na be man no de aduane na gu oba ne to say he is eating from I don't use that word oba ne to na wo di aduane afio na ode fork no shem na wa say aduane from oba ne to na ode ahye no adi na ode fork na fam na ode akosho oba no so ano na oba na nimu show in the video be man no so animi why then what do you want to achieve and I medical can video no yam ka but hwe sanye manema ye for trends o person ye no enye bibia na yesi e wade na nkwan yo banye ni nyina ene fata yen jeko wo de video na me pesa de ade eche wo de video no etefo mo de mo hwe video na I mean is this the way to go or because you want to be popular or because you want to trend o pesa ye na you be internet say bibia be ene se be kakra na amount na mo ye nshatade bi mu because you want to do that said the bear obi awu ane obe trend this year said the amount for videos I naked a year pe na aye we ye de Adom FM ade na to kakra because we the Facebook on one way ya omega say na eden na musu ewie mu yi hwe o de aduan na gu oba ne to e na hwe be me na obutu oba ne ho ompa so and oba so down on so di nanimu ache ehwe video or down to say de enti otu o ma obi di aduane agu to I mean how we oil bi wo mu na se bi ebi tire ko we oh gosh hwe oya na enti makoko wa di mu ana oye nden hwe be ma hwe it was the fork ni za we ya no ama oba no so bi no so ampa wa bi nanimu age what is it hwe and o de ama oba no hwe into uye say no na ye den for people to go and watch because omunim say obiya say na sex sales it ye ban sa there ene ubenya more views near there on social media ubenya crowd to follow you enti den enti den enti wo oba yi a wo da we sabranti ya anware na wo de dachi obi aware na video yi so de enemre mu ade ko internet aka of ogudo ochina bi prominent person bi mpo akọware wo bi onu kwa wo hu video da that kro no nam krom say obi say is this not this girl who na face a video na ba na fe ye kan wasem then wo den dem mai cry bi a wo so animu show dachi bi wakonya position bi cry bi a situation asesa some noble organization bi ni ade na fe na bo from nowhere then this video resurface say na yakọ na wo ya wo de aduane gu oba to na odidi oba to. Is this what we want? You're very careful. Say them di kan once again ye wade nyina ho kwan o na so enye nyina na fata o enye nyina na fata enemre mu internet wan hwe ye obedi social media chi wo be ya de ensese wo ye enso ani be ba ho so no na e too late jiko ye video ni view e mane na ho nchesa enye video papa sa ifio abuzu to aso ne yakọ ani mu gusu ti Adom 106.5 FM pacho October bosumi mu DSTV is giving you 10 reasons say so to stay connected na also ohwe de ekoso na ufili bi 10 reasons no number 1 and it say or the season 2 of Sankofa Abrel ewo Akwaba Magic so number 2 and it said nay Europa and then Conference League matches no we know exclusive on Super Sport and also what they bro. Third reason is the new season of Real Housewives of Beverly Hills and also are available on One Magic. And then the fourth reason, the unbeatable DSTV app here no boy multi manage your account. Now I should be on the move no so no. And then the fifth reason is nay no. Oba benya fresh box office movies every week biya. And reason number 6, DSTV catch up. And no more akonya. In case you miss an episode of your favorite series, what me asanhwe na waron wa de boko. And reason number 7, premium subscribers and they also benya Showmax added for free. Now for compact and compact plus subscribers no and ya Showmax for 50%. Number 9, captivating and educational kids content papa. Yeah, they teach them all. And then finally, the 10th reason, EPL, La Liga, Serie A games ni national obesheni na on DSTV. So what are you waiting for? Bomodiama on Sanka DSTV decoder with installation and 1 month access subscription for only 169 cedis. Obetimi so I agreed to compact with an additional 108 cedis. Not just a sorted. Obetimi ISMS DSTV they are called 1731. You be try to now so account there. DSTV. This is your moment. And 17, check the time now. Just about 14 more minutes to the top of the hour. 4 on Adom 106.3 FM. My ref is at exactly 4:20. Says Scott Bet Nasi Nadia around the world in 5 minutes. Abril. But in case they be our friends and relatives, business associates near there, abroad. Do be say the business corner and say the situation there something send this kakaka. But receiving it no ya problem there and they can for up your bus savings and loans amount. On one must say Jessica money if you abruchino. I very easy cry. Very, 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 very easy. With 44 branches across the country and they send up your bus savings and loans. Amount, a conducive atmosphere where you can safely, comfortably, and securely receive foreign money transfers. Simple cry. Nina say G money friends MoneyGram MoneyGram Western Union, Small World, Unity Link Transfast just a nina no omo ho adwuma wa betimi aba ba juice kan de afio obanso a enye na bia papa na osaka osika na okọ. All our branches across the country ubetimi receive usika money no afie enchen kaswa for no on say off the Kaswa New Market Road ben Coca-Cola depot no bar your best sort you more chimota no we in the same building with the washing bay or mile 7 what I say and I fit my branch no elsewhere community 1 close to the TDC traffic light Danny's the corner and to the branch no close to Cocoa board Ayalolo bus terminal hona and I'll be here chakwan bibi any afraid to free 0800 511 111 and our phrase 050 127 8540. Sinapia Ba Savings and Loans, touching lives, creating wealth. Na echino and as I do we may think companies Allah we de mijinam kwan bia so ese mitimi ehwebie kama pa your friend a records night na the ehwehwe no afi na lande ni na ne say Salt and Light Music Ministry any of favorite choir the Harmonious Chorale Ghana and Akabum Edison we bro your friend a records night. We are bringing you your favorite choral and classical hits from back in the day. Yeah, no bit me amwa kakai. All the tunes you loved most. Film ne dasno or say, Lord, you've been our dwelling place in all generations. We fear Psalm 90 verse 1. Now, the Obunyana say we know a virtual concert. I be streaming on Harmonious Chorale for on my YouTube channel on Sunday, the 24th of October 2021. Time is 6 p.m. and you may know pepe and I do median best here. It make sure say best subscribe to the Harmonious Chorale Ghana's YouTube channel. Now also wait me Adom wash it to relive the golden moments of the olden days. Sanyomono what I say. Now for further information, be a bit me afre 0268 130 615 0243 588 467 and 0302 772 013. You better come on now. I saw to come now. Also, wait to me. I should say, in fact, it's something I don't want to miss. Classical music, man. Now, I don't enjoy. Okay, so we're a 1 year anniversary wish to a special couple, Mr. and Mrs. Date of Tema Community 1 Presby Church. Not just say Yvette, any uku, asem any eke. May the Almighty God bless you with long life, wisdom, knowledge, protection. Baby, your man call ye mamma, no worry, no snow, any enquiry 2 pounds. Moda Swinina and Rem. Congrats, Cassiapa, from a mom and dad, Mr. and Mrs. Ifisa, a Uncle Sam of Escas, on near Bushanina, and our Omon Eddie Mamma, Yvette, any uku. Da 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 da. Live strong with iron. Ya kan wa semwa asodu ba bia say ya na yebu nuegu ya so nti ho be nya se dan den na be kaka ye ho se ene kakra na wo adwuma keto bia wa wote bre ya na otita pa o ya de kra untimi concentrate sa ne mani na be to be bi behwe no na iron deficiency anemia na cause sa de and in research about the DPF say 4 out of 10 women in childbearing age and I face 6 out of 10 children below 5 years are affected with iron deficiency anemia. A very worrying price. I say 1 year I'm it may affect your physical and brain development for life. Now so quite be first with me see an and once ube deep plenty iron rich foods now are preventing iron deficiency anemia for a stronger immune system. It be any contumely, abedru, liver, I feel so red meat, fish, shrimps, eggs, boko, alefu, groundnuts, beans, cowpeas, sour green leafy vegetables, and I feel iron fortified foods, to say iron fortified milk, and iron fortified cube spices no. That one too can be a good source. Bit me boy and always make sure so check your product labels no for relevant nutrition information, especially on iron. No when you to so mu, don't say dem could iron be come apart. Na yen hwene yemwa na yentimi tusa iron deficiency anemia asin fear system no what they say na what did you no say be na obode no ebetimi absorb iron nutrients yi pa no recommended say ubedi fruits rich in vitamin C right after your meal. If you bet me orange and now say pineapple, pawpaw, mango, and they can come home. Who did you and where did you go? A boama only peduani to me extra iron nutrients in a way beyond the moon temper. And Diana, what trying you good. Live strong with iron. I was going to be a barber shop somewhere to for an area. If you is happening, says Scott on Swabber Room, and they are around the world in 5 minutes. It's all here on Adom 106.3 FM, of course, your own show, OfieKwanso, with me, Jerry Justice. Check it out time now. 6 minutes to 4. Yeah. Abuja so beto eye fuel agu kan mu a ayato fuel no fi goil omo de no na eye papa da meka enye se agudi wo de aya check hwe se wo car no de namwa suddenly se eye check engine be da so na wo kona fitani ni check na enhye da anye major problem bia na ade a wo de opekwa ko goil fuel station na eto goil for oil friends o mfuo no bi kuka ni o de toto so a bo se car no na mo abo se check engine cry fiso na ko oh yeah I'm telling you said the car ni problem bia ma ho de na mo ultimi ko tofu ba bi utugu mu ko a na mkwan so bo se check engine abaso no fuo no nye papa bad fuo no atogu ka ni goil for fuo no de ya to ebo ase man treatment papa na what the sa need superior qualities ni na to nchen kra na ya san ko feather A45 with the XP3 additive and a multifunctional enhancer a mark fuel na more efficient eco-friendly na yet turn at no extra cost. It man san count there Enfi Goil fuel station be more across the country, not just selected Goil fuel stations. Your Goil Super XP on 95 and I feel Goil Diesel XP. So fill up with Goil higher grade fuels. Ajibebia Goil good energy. Goil yeah dim. We know when I own that. Says can wire ding. And two days I can be a baby down bit me fast when you cash kakra do many down. Oh yes. Now Tigo for Airtel Tigo. On market come on. The Abana Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo. Now sa Tugumisu promo. Yeah, ka Tugumisu na Yesika Semwa. Oh yes. Yesika Semwa. Na sikana be bodde se chapo. Ewo Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo no. If you sabe ya kopim December bosome no. Oman for Ghana for na bia. Obia betimi anya sika kese pa. Dey ahwena taso. Prices baby every hour, every day, every week, every month. A dregu any na grand cash price nankasano 100,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah. Aduma na be no so nya kese bi akitu abi. There's all you need. Just dial *500#. Now if you want to recharge it with 5 cedis or more, now they are builder points. From recharging. If you ban a bundle purchase no so now no so abomodi ayen sa no wakoso use and now daily airtime na no so use na ni nyina aboa ATM transactions aba ni ade nyina na e ma wonya more points. Secret back mu so abetimi dia building more points pa ne say your SMS trivia bia no so ye and no send back bia 30 pesos etie no so betimi asend bi say be ya e be send o question simple ones. Enti you answer simple questions na wucha. Na wunya more points they count the other than now no. Say be our chances of winning be huge. Cash be at me ayo there. I feel that when you want to Airtel Tigo miso. If you're going and dial *500# now and get started. Me Lucy God cry. Kai says, so we need BB or Airtel Tigo to go super muimwa. Sebena obi enyo frakadam. Scam is be a man before si can kono. Yeah, this our Airtel Tigo number we pay and a befrel. 0260 000 100. Any other number biano a scam. Airtel Tigo. Life is simple. My happy birthday and come on, my lovely daughter Deborah Dede Ugly, who is 24 years old today. May God bless and keep her. May all her heart desires and wishes be granted by the Almighty. From the mom, grandmom, Kabuti, na Kabuki, and then na Umaye Abba. I wish you a happy birthday. And also from Tina and then Josephine of Learning Skills International School. They all wishing you a happy birthday. African. You find neighbor. This one here says, Jerry, wish my father, Mr. Atakofi of Enyan Mem, a happy birthday for me. And then happy birthday, Kasepa Diomo Champa, going out to you, Mr. Atakofi. Have a blessed and glorious day, and many more years ahead of you. Yes. This one is coming from your son, Mr. Echo Blankson. That Tarabibi Asheye, Ishiache Bruta. Yaminka. Phoenix Insurance said, bra. Na enene meshimum. Said beya ochne bino se bibi esia. Obetimi ejina brane. Asori ejina wachi na wabwao. Ni nyina se you rise again when disaster strikes. It disaster ne de beba. Na so wan hwe here, the only insurance no na wa waka. But after the disaster no, the no insurance we insure with Phoenix Insurance no. Obesa so ejina na so bi. Eno ani. you to your claims in Tempana. Your policies in the doors, fire, motor, accident, marine, engineering, bonds, you do more cotton. And they cried the name of Mwemre, Utimi, Edda Umpamua Canato. Now, what to insurance policy? Eddie, I find short code so star 389 star 79 star. Who follow prompt now with them? BB any other friend 0302 224 your phone number 0302 246 319 and our fee 0243 690 492. Na ye din komo kama na ya boa bibia be fine stretch e patron na no ada na me catch na e asem hia pa na say global ama delivery aye very simple one kan hapa. Oh yes, so mo ni na mu ani o da ahwom omo kom ho hapa wodi aduane be bro shishi global me to omo so na ma so Then come in the Bianca Beham say, Uni Global app Ribian Pacho call Google Play Store and an App Store CCA. Netra 2. Say Bibiania for Global so. Oh yes. Bet me order your favorite food from that special restaurant. Near deliver their brown tempana. And maybe our package be who say deliver the my fan free office be fan office for be and if you be go for be near there. And maybe grab person shopping for groceries they can from that supermarket. You can do all on Glovo. Very simple. And you can some crown say, put me track your delivery, every step on the way. It here now when it has I didn't know a Duca price. We do have no Sana Glovo tier. It departure download the Air Glovo app no GLOVO Glovo from the Google Play Store or App Store and sign up. Now you use promo code way GLOVODEYGH. That's Glovo Day GH. Glovo Day GH. GLOVODEYGH. When you use our promo code way, you bet me 10 CDs off on your first order on Glovo. Very simple. Glovo. Order anything and get it delivered in minutes. See now Sakawade na Utilo on our same. Pretty simple. Any. If I try young fan Carbo from New Year's see an affair and trust him. And Carbona Ebaya Quemian say October Busumi a year breast cancer awareness month. In Tienra say the Church of Pentecost a year tema Community 1 English Assembly PEMEM any women's ministry no omo kabu mu ye become a ma resource person ebe church said the breast cancer ne ade breast examination said the obey na hwe se bibia bamu ana se bibi mamu ne ade na fi kra se be ya obetimi ehu ade ne ntem sa early detection no na watimi asiki help ne ade kama ne ade anti obi ayere no no nye na famu de na sa breast cancer ye hardwin yetimi ntu ase na ye kase ene ubepiem ewo eye tema women's hospital almost organize free breast cancer screening throughout the month of October. Now venue ne tema women's hospital premises wana patrol every Tuesday and Thursday into nyame adoma ochina and a free Thursday ebe the best so last week ekoso anopa 8 ekopem eye enumere 4 p.m. and odi chan hye no eba oba near screening will come I share say or how be a new funu one quantity be obia so near their trust with the amount in patcho ubia fan when especially in your mummy yam watermano umenya masimia monko na mko e munhwemu na bibia so intimi enko ye emam kama pa and round so nyame adom anwumre no na ma brain so me for so ya hwe the big talent show kakra ne ade chese imuye na awura yi kura mi ro fini di o lady na obesa na o ezu lion ibi a oprapra fi owie na Clemento try say na obi a oprapra wie yi ro wan san franco ne the big talent show was won't take patro every Sunday bia live on Adom TV 8:30 sharp so timi hwebi na hu de kone de ba we need bean seeder. Yeah, penny diaba. I'm sure by now the contestants know what you see favorite that. I don't know if yours is size 2 and now Tapoli and now Shatter Wi-Fi and now Paul G and Kabako, King Solomon, Fred, Obed, Bija, Sinote and now say Short Prophet, Faith Power and now Queen of Peace. The all feeling be a church jinapa na evo timano na wetimia ka competition so ati say na ultimately wetimia babe the winner pacho. So it's on Sundays at 8:30 on Adom TV. Yeah, no be. It is brought to you in partnership with Darling Lemon Alcoholic Drink. As you taste it, feel it. And a Fable Bobo Bitters. As a Boswe. And sponsors no Ayiko Bitters. Afe 21st century sciatica expertise Elohim treatment center. I say area or what they are now sounds so Dominion about powder, your number 1 immune booster. And so te achieve afe Bar Herbal Center action for bar on also say yare when na ebedwane ono expert e ba no numpi mu edwumedina or ya de pa the big talent show. I say to me entake a quick one off your ba yen hwa asem ene yedi to yon for dwumedi ezo.
Ani. Into office sa wonko na wonim Aquataps food safe ana. Salad ni nua ba wodi ne de bia no. Aquataps food safe. Ana medoro ho. Asa na wedi o.
Omo san so Aquataps water purification tablets. Omo a omo de ebulo mu nsuo, efom nsuo, suru nsuo, ene nsuo a ehwo nte e de ye wonda da adwuma a emfa ohaw bia embre. Osan kwada yi so mapomudin so ehia ye pa. Eno nti na mato Aquataps surface disinfectant. Yetime de paper surfaces bia ema ehwo te. No nti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. Ene fiefie mu Aquataps abama mo say it will phone for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi and 020-907-7726 Accra and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps were pharmacies, drugstores and supermarkets. FDA AG Ejedi Nkratui Atum.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisamo Nafi.
The taste.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Taste.